guys, welcome back to my channel Glamour with Diva. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
And today we are at Westside Lajpat Nagar. After lockdown, this is the second sale happening over here. So let's check out.
Oh my god, it's just so beautiful crop tops over here. Okay, so let's check out some kurtis. Peach kurti is really looking nice, having a floral touch making it really beautiful. Talking about this black, it's nice with the base and a little polka is just fine. Oh my god, they have lot of kurtis this time. So guys, what do you think about my look? So I have done the recording for all the kurtis and tops available at the ground floor of Lajpat Nagar West Side. As you can see, they have lot of collection and having very nice light color kurtis and dark color kurtis with floral prints, and this time it's like really getting into floral. The whole season is getting into floral, I guess. They're having lots and lots of floral prints. Another thing which I can see over here is that they are having lots of neutral tones, pink, peach and browns as well. Like literally they are having lots of peach colors and again into floral ones. So as we all know, it's been around 2 weeks of the West Side sale. So they have some very short collection in Studio West side also. So they are really less. And talking about the Nuon, these are the Nuon dresses which are available right now. Look at this. This is a really nice sweatshirt in yellow. You can see there is a lot of collection starting from $2.99 in Nuon collection in West Side. So as here, I like this checked one. So for a change, I'm seeing this tie and dye collection one. This is really nice. So they have really beautiful shoes also over here, as you can see. So the back collection is starting from $4.99, going up to $7.99 as well. They have such beautiful colors in bags today. I love it. Oh my god, these are so beautiful masks with a chain around it. We can accessorize it now. So I found really beautiful pink color tops from Gia Curves. These are these one. A really bright pink and a light pink one. So this time they are having a lot of heels, shoes and slippers, everything around there. As you can see, I have actually uploaded each single piece over there in this video, along with the color options available over there. So for shopping, you need to go fast over there because when one size is gone, it's not coming back. So it's your choice if you want to go later, but I would suggest you to go fast. They're having very small collection of night suits over there. So Disa is having really nice collection of kurtis, the plain ones or the ethnic ones. You can wear any of them. It's really good to see that they are actually having more nice designs for the plus size, which you can mix and match and make it your own idea of outfits with it. So guys, if you were waiting for the plazos, here it is. The plain and the floral, both ones. Having in lot of colors. So guys, I'm going to show you this kurti. This is my favorite one. Really love the color and the design and the print over it. The texture also. I hope you liked the video. So the second part will be uploaded soon with the first floor of Westside. Thank you for watching. Do like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here.